I just reached to my new apartment, and this is the condition of my room right now. The clothes everywhere, more clothes. One more bag here. Here, 2 more suitcases to unwind. A lot of work. Another suitcase. Another package. One more bag here. Oh, it has books. Wow. That adjusted to the new room. So let's work out. Head is spinning. Yeah, but I'm satisfied. At least I can sleep tonight. This is my bed. I made it right now. So guys, changing apartments in Tokyo is one of the toughest things you'll have to face if you work and live in Japan. So clearly I had a very tough day today. Since the building has no elevator, I had to climb 3 long stairs with all my heavy luggages all the way to the 4th floor. So I'm really exhausted right now. So for now, let's go out, have some soba, grab some beers, and let's celebrate ourselves. This is the place where I went for my soba break. My first impression was, will it be worth it? But to my surprise, the soba was amazingly good. 30 yen per bowl. Conclusion: don't judge the book by its cover. Peace. Right across there is a 7-Eleven, and here is my favorite convenience store in all of Tokyo, My Basket. So let's go in. The best thing about My Basket is that you can buy the beers at cheaper price than elsewhere, and the variety of snacks they have is really awesome. Drinks, a lot of drinks, green teas, and here's our beer. Besides the beer, you can also choose the Chu-Hai, which has 9% of alcohol. But my favorite is always the regular beer. What's your favorite? I love desserts, so I'll have this one to treat myself. A little fish shop. I don't know what it is called, but I named it the goldfish. As you can see why. Beautiful. So let's go back. begin. Ciao. Hi guys, thanks for watching my video till the end. It was the video about changing apartments in Tokyo, which is really tough. So I had a tough day today. I moved out from my old apartment in Kanamecho, which is near Ikebukuro, and right now I'm in my new apartment in Kami-Itabashi. So I'm really excited right now, and I'm thankful that you are together with me. So cheers for that. So I would like to end the video with a song for you guys. So enjoy the song, and please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. I'll see you in the other video. Bye for now. It's amazing how you can speak right through my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say I'm best when you say nothing at all. This is Mount Fuji, Japan's highest mountain, measuring 3,776 meters, and of course the symbol of Japanese pride. Do you know that Mount Fuji is actually a passive volcano, whose last eruption was dated back in December 16th of the year 1707. This is the view from the rooftop of my new apartment, which is on the 6th floor. If you can see Mount Fuji from your rooftop, you can consider yourself one of the luckiest. Unlike my home country Nepal, crows are big size in Japan and are called karas. Arigato for watching my video. For now, sayonara from Tokyo. See you soon.